The beast is back, and it's bigger, stronger, and smarter than ever. Meet the 2025 Ford Super Duty F-350, the ultimate workhorse designed for power, performance, and pure dominance. Whether you're hauling, towing, or off-roading, this heavy-duty truck is built to handle anything. Let's dive into everything you need to know about the 2025 F-350, from its specs to its price and why it's one of the toughest trucks on the market. Articulated lorry flexed biceps. Ford has taken toughness to a whole new level with the 2025 F-350. The truck features a bold front grille, powerful LED headlights, and a reinforced aluminum body that makes it both strong and lightweight. It rides on massive all-terrain tires with high ground clearance, making it a perfect choice for off-road enthusiasts and hard workers alike. New LED headlights and taillights. Stronger, military-grade aluminum body. Massive all-terrain tires, optional on Tremor package. New color options and trim-specific styling. When it comes to power, the 2025 Ford F-350 delivers big time. Under the hood, you get multiple engine choices designed to handle the heaviest loads with ease. 6.8L V8 gas engine, 405 HP, 445 lb-ft of torque. With a class-leading towing capacity of up to 38,000 pounds, the F-350 is a powerhouse. Whether you're towing a trailer, boat, or heavy equipment, this truck can handle it all. Tractor articulated lorry. The interior of the 2025 F-350 combines rugged durability with next-level luxury. It's built for long drives and tough jobs, featuring high-end materials and cutting-edge technology. 12-inch digital instrument cluster, massive 14-inch touchscreen with SYNC4. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Piano premium sound system. Massaging and heated/ventilated seats. Ford has also added more storage space, a built-in workstation, and even an optional 360-degree camera system to make maneuvering this beast easier than ever. Mobile phone with Aero Sport utility vehicle. The 2025 F-350 doesn't just bring power, it brings safety too. With Ford Co-Pilot 360, you get advanced driver assist features to keep you secure on and off the road. Adaptive cruise control. Lane keeping assist. Blind spot monitoring for trailers. Automatic emergency braking. Pro trailer backup assist. Now, let's talk numbers. The 2025 Ford Super Duty F-350 is available in multiple trims, each catering to different needs. XL base model, $46,000. That means whether you're looking for a no-nonsense work truck or a fully loaded luxury hauler, there's an F-350 for you. The 2025 Ford Super Duty F-350 is stronger, smarter, and more capable than ever. With incredible towing power, advanced tech, and top-tier safety features, it's a truck that's ready for anything. What do you think about the new F-350? Let us know in the comments. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more epic truck reviews.